Hey guys, this week we had planned another video for you, but it's taking a little longer than anticipated, and we didn't want to leave you hanging, so we're going to bring back a few of our older projects and give you some good 10-minute projects to work on this weekend. As always, if you're not already, like and subscribe, and turn on those notifications so we can get started. I'm going to start with our reusable produce bags. These guys are super easy to make and require very minimal materials or experience. These bags are great in addition to your reusable grocery bags and are going to cut down on plastic waste around your house. They're super lightweight, so you don't have to worry about them jacking up the price of your produce. I loved how the hex mesh worked for this application, but since then we've added tear-resistant mosquito netting to our store, and I think that if I were to make this project again, I would use that product instead. But either one is going to give you a really nice finished product. I'm going to link the video in the description below and the new netting, so check that out if you're interested in this project. This next project has been one of our go-to DIY gifts because it's easy to make in bulk. It's super useful and everyone seems to love theirs. Back in 2018, Clara showed us all how to make these kitchen scrubbies with just a little bit of netting or tulle and a crochet hook. In this tutorial, Clara goes over a few simple crochet stitches that you'll need to know to complete your project, and then making each scrubby just takes a few minutes. We love this project and we know that you will too. So one of my first videos on YouTube was making these reusable popcorn bags. I love popcorn, so this microwave popcorn bag was a huge game changer for me. They're really easy to make and they make awesome DIY gifts. One thing that I pointed out a few times in the original video, which again is linked below, was that it is 100% necessary to use only cotton materials when making this bag. This means both your thread and your fabric. Poly blends will melt in your microwave. Beyond that, I absolutely loved making this project and have been using it ever since with really tasty results. If you couldn't already tell, we kind of went with a sustainable kitchen swaps theme for this video. This project was another one of my earlier ones, and it's the reusable Beeswax food wraps. So while these are technically a no-sew project, they're really great for using up extra scraps of fabric that you have lying around. You'll need to source beeswax for this project, but I went on Facebook and I found mine from a local beekeeper and it was super easy. These wraps can replace saran wrap and tinfoil in many cases and are generally a really great option for keeping food stored. Along those same lines, you can make these reusable dish covers. I made several of these to cover baking dishes, and they've been really awesome when I need to bring food over someone's house. I usually just throw a cover over my baking dish and take off. The elastic band on these covers keeps little spills from becoming big headaches and gives me peace of mind when I put the dog in the back seat with the dip because he cannot be trusted. And that wraps up our first round of 10-minute projects. Let me know if you guys like these types of videos and if you want to see more. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.